JASMY Coin is a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin and Shiba Inu. Listed on premium exchanges like Coinbase, JASMY Coin is based on ERC-20 standard. The JASMY token can be used by individuals and businesses as proof of value or payment for services on the JASMY blockchain ecosystem. JASMY Coin is today one of the most popular crypto projects in the market. As data gathered from the project's website, JASMY Coin is in the market for data democratization and wants to put data sovereignty in the hands of consumers. The focus area of JASMY is IoT, also known as Internet of Things, blockchain and data democracy. The JASMY team aims to be a decisive player in the fourth industrial revolution. Due to its popularity, many people also call JASMY Bitcoin of Japan. The real use cases of the JASMY project make JASMY Coin a promising project in the long term. As one of the growing DeFi projects, JASMY Coin is working on many initiatives. As found through CoinMarketCap, by its limited token supply and response from the investors, JASMY Coin looks strong. Today, JASMY Coin is one of the most popular tokens in the market. Just after a few months of launch, JASMY Coin gained the attention of the crypto community and became the top 300 token by the market cap. As we found in Google Trends and social media platforms, JASMY Coin is trending in many countries. JASMY Coin is legit in the same way as other cryptos. While many crypto analysts doubt the legitimacy of new coins, but JASMY has the backing of real projects that makes it trustable. As we found through CoinMarketCap, the JASMY Coin is also audited by Slowmist. After huge community support and limited token supply, we can say that JASMY Coin is legit. The new listings always help new tokens to increase their value and adoption in the market. Recently, JASMY Coin got listed by many crypto exchanges, including Binance and Coinbase. Now you can trade with JASMY Coin on Coinbase and Binance both. Many crypto experts have suggested that the JASMY Coin value will continue to expand. JASMY Coin has a limited token supply of 50 billion JASMY tokens, and it's a fair number. By the technical analysis of JASMY and recent pumping, it looks promising. However, never forget that there is always some risk to any investment. Cryptos are not just the most profitable but riskiest asset as well. JASMY Coin often pumps and the same dump, but it's normal in the crypto market. Due to extreme volatile behavior, many traders used to ask whether JASMY Coin is for the long term or just to pump and dump. As we analyze the past performance of JASMY Coin, it is a promising project. Some people also call JASMY Coin Bitcoin of Japan due to its root in Japan. As we have seen on the many crypto forums, JASMY Coin is in the market for the long term. It is the initial phase of JASMY Coin, so their prices can spike or turn down in seconds. Due to the effort of the JASMY community, JASMY Coin can be stable in upcoming years. However, we need to wait some more months to predict the future of JASMY Coin more precisely. As an emerging DeFi project, you should not face difficulty to find JASMY Coin. There are many crypto trading platforms that have been recently listed JASMY Coin for public trading. If you wish to buy JASMY Coin, the top crypto exchanges are currently Binance, KuCoin, Hotbit, Coinbase, Huobi Global, WazirX, Bitfinex, Gate.io, Mixi, and Mandala Exchange. By signing up on such platforms, you can easily add JASMY Coin to your crypto portfolio. Apart from JASMY price prediction, we would like to suggest investors to conduct the maximum possible research before making any investment. JASMY Coin looks strong with limited token supply and community support, but cryptos are an extremely volatile asset. Cryptos change their prices like a roller coaster, and they can rise or fall in seconds. A risk analysis is essential before JASMY Coin or any other crypto investment. The price prediction of JASMY Coin looks bullish for the next 10 years. If current growth continues, the JASMY Coin can hit easily a cap of $30 in 2030. However, it depends upon you which type of investment you choose, for the long term or the short one. If more investors are attracted to the project, the prices of JASMY Coin can skyrocket in upcoming years. But we would like to suggest investors do some personal level analysis and study before making any crypto investment. Since its launching date, JASMY Coin has shown extensive growth in the crypto market. JASMY Coin has given a great return to its initial investors in 2021. As per its limited token supply and community support, the future of JASMY Coin is bright. The JASMY Coin prices rallied to an all-time high of $4.90 in February 2021. However, as the crypto market turns down, JASMY Coin's performance also gets bearish in 2022. As per this analysis, the prices of JASMY Coin will continue to grow in the next 10 years, surpassing the $30 mark by the end of this decade. As all cryptos are down since 2022, JASMY Coin's performance can be also slow. There are strong possibilities that JASMY Coin can get again its position if the market starts to recover. If you're looking for the JASMY Coin price prediction or finding the potential of JASMY, this long-term JASMY price forecast can be helpful for you. This JASMY Coin price forecast is based on a deep technical analysis and past performance of the JASMY Coin. Here we will try to analyze the potential of JASMY Coin in the long term. As per this JASMY price prediction, the maximum trading price of JASMY Coin can be around $0.065 in 2022. If the market goes as per this expectations, the average price of JASMY Coin can be around $0.057. However, if the market turns down, the minimum price level of JASMY can go up to $0.049 in 2022. As per this price analysis, JASMY Coin's price may cross $1 again if the market sees a good bull run in 2022. JASMY Coin has great potential if you have a long-term vision. As per this JASMY Coin price prediction, JASMY Coin can reach a maximum price level of 15 cents by 2023. If there is a bull rally in 2023, the prices of JASMY Coin may surge more than this JASMY Coin price forecast. However, the average price of JASMY Coin can be around $0.092. And if there is any bearish trend, the minimum price of the JASMY Coin can be down up to $0.078. As per this JASMY Coin price prediction, the JASMY Coin prices can hit a new all-time high level this year. By 2025, we may expect an average price of $1.67 depending upon the market performance. This maximum price prediction for JASMY Coin is $1.84 in 2025. While the minimum price level can be around $1.19 if the market turns down. However, if the market gets bullish, might the JASMY Coin surge more than our JASMY Coin price forecast in 2025. There are signs that the crypto market is about to enter a new age in 2030. Real project-based cryptos like JASMY Coin can overtake the market. The year 2030 can end with an average price of $25.42, while the minimum price value of JASMY Coin can be around $19.72. Along with JASMY Coin, many cryptos can hit their new all-time high this year. The maximum price is expected to be trading around $31.83. If there is any bull rally in 2030, the prices of JASMY Coin may skyrocket and surpass this long-term JASMY price forecast. After such a long journey, many cryptos can be at their peak. As per this JASMY Coin price forecast, the JASMY Coin can hit a new all-time high level this year. By 2040, we may expect an average price of $118.78 depending upon the market trend. A maximum price prediction for JASMY Coin is $135.23 in 2040. If the market gets bullish, the JASMY Coin may surge more than this JASMY Coin price forecast in 2040. While the minimum price level can be around $106.23 if the market gets bearish. JASMY Coin has great potential if you're going to hold it for the long term. The year 2050 can end with an average price of $247.45, while the minimum price value of JASMY Coin can be around $226.73. After such a long journey, along with JASMY Coin, many cryptos can hit their new all-time high this year. The maximum price is expected to be trading around $265.16. If more investors are attracted to the JASMY project in between these years, the prices of JASMY Coin can be much higher in 2050 than this price forecast.